Hello everyone, Doremi nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright and be a part of our students gallery. Send your artwork, art videos and any other talents in our mail ID. And please contact us in our WhatsApp number.
হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আই এম বিশ্বজিৎ অ্যান্ড রিপ্রেজেন্টিং ডোরেমি। আজকে আমি বাংলা কথা বলছি আর পাঞ্জাবি পড়েছি, কারণ আমি বাঙালি, বাট ভিডিওগুলো আমি ইংলিশে বানাচ্ছি। আই এম এ বেঙ্গলি অ্যান্ড আই এম মেকিং মাই ভিডিও ইন ইংলিশ, বাট ভেরি সিম্পল ইংলিশ। প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব আস, আমাদের সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। ছবির ইটসেলফ কোনো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হয় না। কেপ পিপলসরা, ওরা গোয়াবাসী যারা মানুষ ছিল, তারা কমিউনিকেট করার জন্য ছবি এঁকেছিল। দ্য কেপ পিপল ইউজ টু ড্র টু কমিউনিকেট। সো ছবির নিজেরই একটা ভাষা আছে, তো পিকচার ইটসেলফ ইজ আ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। ওকে, সো প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব আওয়ার চ্যানেল। অ্যান্ড ওয়ান মোর থিং, টুডে উই আর গোয়িং টু লার্ন আ ভেরি এক্সাইটিং টপিক। আজকে আমরা খুব এক্সাইটিং একটা টপিক শিখবো। ওকে, সো দ্যাট ইজ ব্ল্যাক অ্যান্ড হোয়াইট ল্যান্ডস্কেপ। ব্ল্যাক অ্যান্ড হোয়াইট ল্যান্ডস্কেপ আমরা আজকে শিখবো ইন 3 মিডিয়ামস। 3টে মিডিয়ামে শিখবো, একটা ইন ডিজিটাল মিডিয়াম, ইন প্যাস্টেল কালার্স, ইন ওয়াটার কালার্স। দিস 3 উইল এনহ্যান্স ইউর স্কিল। এই 3টে একত্রে শিখলে তোমাদের ড্রয়িং এর উপরে অনেক দক্ষতা বাড়বে। সো প্লিজ, ইংলিশ বলছি, ইংলিশে ভিডিও বানাচ্ছি বলে কেউ রাগ করো না। দেখো দেখো, তোমরা দেখলেই বুঝতে পারবে। আই এম ইউজিং সিম্পল ইংলিশ। ইভেন ইফ ইউ কান্ট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড সামওয়্যার, you see my video carefully, everything you can understand. ভালো করে ভিডিওটা দেখো, সব বুঝতে পারবে, সব। Okay, so thank you for supporting us, but I need your more and more support, more subscribers, please.
Don't skip the video. I have taken the pencil. You can see the lines. Now I'm erasing. This is my color palette. And now I'm again taking pencil and I drawing a line. Upper portion will be 70%, near will be 30%. Don't draw a line in the middle. So always upper portion will be bigger and lower will be smaller. So I have colored it dark. Gradually I'm getting it lighter. I am using only one color. I am just giving pressure for dark color, using light pressure for light color. And there is opacity I am changing for getting color dark and light. Now I am doing the mountains in far very in light manner. Now this black, dark black I am again taking for the horizontal trees. Horizontals is very far from us, so we cannot understand. There is lot of trees. And now there is a birds. So birds we will do at the last. Now I will color the land. So I am using the lighter color. Now it also will be gradually darker in front of the painting. You can see. So you can see the sky was, when it was starting, it was darker, gradually getting lighter. The land also, when it started it was lighter and gradually it is getting darker in front of the painting. Now look, then I am making a trees. First I have done with a light color, then I'm confident about my trees, so I'm using some dark colors. And you can see in very far there is some trees, but I didn't do much detailing because that tree was very far. Okay, but the closer ones you can give detailing. Now you can see some dot. I am trying to draw the humans. There is no detailing. The man was very far, just little touch it shows. Now the birds, you can see the birds, the closer one is bigger, the more it is going far. I am not drawing, I am just giving dot, but it shows that birds are coming from the far. Now there is a small boat. Boat is not a small, but boat is very far, so boat is looking small. So humans are waiting for the boat, you can understand. Now little bit touch I am doing for shows the, and I am drawing a small boat very far, and digital landscape is done. Let's start same landscape in pastel medium. Look, this is a point. From point we get the line and dark line. Give less pressure for lighter line, deep pressure for deep line. Okay, and this and the edge we can give the flat color. You can see I am using the small one. You can see. Look, now we will start. So I have drawn a line with the point of the color. Okay, again same thing, 70-30 ratio, upper portion will be bigger. Now from the point I am doing dark black color as much as possible. I am doing dark black color. So I have done, and you don't try to create a straight line. Okay, make it haphazard like this way. Okay, now I'm taking the color again to make a flat approach of coloring by edge of the color, not point of the color. Okay, especially in pastel coloring, you should be very careful. Inside your copy there should not be anything that can disturb your coloring. Okay, now you can see gradually it will be lighter, coloring will be lighter from top to bottom. Now I am giving middle tone of shades for showing the mountains effects. Okay, now spread some water, little bit, not more. Okay, little bit of water you need to spread. Now use your finger for blending the color to look your coloring smooth, to look your painting smooth. So you should blend it very nicely. Okay, and when you are blending, be very gentle. Look, the mountain also I'm blending. Okay, it's something shows like mountain. Okay, it is very far. Now take a point of the color and draw a line. After that, this is the horizontal bushes I am again doing over here. Look, we can see top of the trees out of bushes. Now coloring the land, far it will be light colored. The more it is closer, the color is getting darker. In the sky also, top portion was darker, the bottom was lighter. Look how I am getting color dark in front of the painting. Now again I am spreading some water and started smearing the color, I mean mixing the color, and then it shows little bit watercolor effect. You can understand, those who knows watercolor, you can see the watercolor effect is created because of little bit water spreaded. So because of this reason, now I am drawing very lightly a trees. Now I am confident to draw the color it dark, so I am giving some dark because the trees are in front, so I can color it dark. Okay, now in the water I wanted to show the water, so I am giving the reflections some touch that my painting looks very prominent with the point of the color. Now I will draw the human figure and birds in far, so don't do too much of detailing. Look, our pastel color is done. Now let's start our watercolor. So this is the Abro tape. I will paste it on the board and I will paste at the back of the paper that our paper cannot move. I use Abro tape under top portion of my board to keep my paper in slanting position. So you can use these brushes. So these are the quality brushes you can use, and this is the color I'm keeping in the corner of my palette. So only black color I needed for this watercolor. I draw a line, not in the middle. 70% is upper, 30% in lower. Now take heavy dark black color, less water, more color. Look, I have colored the top portion darker. Now I have to take water to make my color lighter. The more we will go down, water will be taken more and the color will be lighter. And we have reached up to the line. Look, color is flowing from top to bottom, and that we need to show the proper watercolor. Okay, now again that mountain like shapes we are doing with middle tone of color. Now I will take jet black color, less water, more color, tight color, less water, and I'm doing the horizontal bushes. Look, in the middle bushes are small, but in the both the ends bushes are bigger, and here also I can see the top of the trees. Okay, Okay, when I'm coloring the land, look, don't touch, because there is a lot of waters in the colors, so don't touch it with the horizontal line, then suddenly everything will be messed. And the more I'm coming in front of the painting, the color will be darker according to the perspective. Look, some grasses, little of touch. Don't allow your water fully dry, because we need the spreading effect for the leaves. Little bit of spreading effect we need. So very lightly I have approached the color. Okay, now I am confident, so I can make branches, little bit of a dark touch in the trees, and we will do detailing on it as it is front of the paint. But the horizontal trees are very far, so where we didn't do any detailing. Okay, now I have taken 2 number brushes for the human figures. You can choose your brush according to your comfort zone. Now shadows, don't do too much of detailing as the figures are very far. Now I'm coloring the boat, small humans inside the boat. Little touch is enough for that. Small boat is very far, so because of this reason it is looking very small. Now showing some reflection in the water. Now again retouching on the trees to show some branches and leaves. Some more brushes, some tones, shadows, the land, because land is not very smooth, no ups and downs are there. Now birds, the birds are coming from far, that is smaller. So our watercolor is ready. If you like our videos, please subscribe the channel and press on notification bell, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.